All right, let me do one of the natural logs just to help. I'm going to do number 23. Hope I gave you number 23. Either way, it'll help you regardless. All right, so we have f of x natural log square root. Hopefully, as soon as you write square root, you should tell yourself that's my first step. Rewrite it, because we do it every time. So that's natural log of 1 plus 2x to the 1/2 power. Okay, and we learned that the derivative of any natural log expression is 1 over whatever you have. Well, this is what I have the natural log of, so that goes on the bottom. Okay, that's it. Do it every time. Natural log of whatever it is, that goes on the bottom. And then times the derivative of it. Okay, so now I got to do the derivative of it. That would have been a very easy problem off your last test. All of you can do this because you all showed me that on your test. So, derivative of that, exponent comes forward, and I get 1/2 times that thing. When I subtract 1 from my exponent, I get negative 1/2 times the derivative of what's inside, which is 2. And then you're just doing cleanup. This 1/2 is going to cancel out with that whole number 2, so those are gone. And you're left with this thing. Now that's a negative square root, or a negative 1/2, so it's going to go on the bottom. So this cleans up pretty cool, because to start off with, you have this to the 1/2 power, and then you're multiplying it times another one, 1 plus 2x to the 1/2 power. Remember, because this is negative 1/2, so that means it's under a fraction bar. Well, now I'm multiplying these two together. You're not adding, you're multiplying. Well, when I multiply these two, I just get 1 over 1 plus 2x to the first. Oops, I didn't even put my 1 there. Okay, if you're having trouble with that, think about it. I have the square root of something. That's what you're looking at. Times. Remember, when you multiply fractions, you multiply straight across. I have the square root of something times itself. That's what you're doing. And we all know from having to do that a bunch, the square root of something squared, the radical just cancels, and you're left with what's inside. So that times derivative of your x. That is the answer to 23.